Merry Christmas everyone, and we are definitely feeling extra glad right here in Goma at home. Iba talaga ang happiness na dala ng Pasko, especially when the family is all together. And we are all #glad together. So for today, I'll be cooking something for the holidays. We are preparing chicken barbecue Chinese style. Ako, talaga namang napaka-juicy and malasa when cooked with Glad aluminum foil, one of my trusted brands in the kitchen. And remember, cooking for the family is not a chore when Glad is in your kitchen. And this holidays, #HouseGlad, because they will be giving away, ito na, they'll be giving away pressure cooker worth 13,500 to 20 lucky winners. Yun, so ito na. Check out Glad Philippines Facebook page for more details on how you can win a Tefal pressure cooker. And check out Glad's official store on Lazada. First, gagawin ko yung kung wala kayong mabili sa grocery na 5-spice Chinese spice, gawa tayo ng sarili nating 5-spice Chinese spice. Yun. We'll put in some cloves, we'll put in some pepper, may fennel seeds, meron tayong star anise, and cinnamon. But ito cinnamon kasi masyadong matigas. Pero meron naman ako cinnamon powder, so okay na tayo dyan. Okay, so what we'll do is dudurugin natin yung mga spices natin to make a 5 Chinese spice. Medyo matagal gawin to kasi kailangan talaga pinong-pino. Yun. So habang nagdudurog na siya, just keep on putting some spices yun. Or if you have a mini food processor, pwede mo ilagay na sa isang maliit na food processor. Ganun mo lang siya, then yun, meron ka ng 5 spice. So here it is. Ito na yung 5 spice natin. Unahin natin yung soy sauce. Bigyan ng soy sauce dito. What I'll do is I'll prepare for 2 chicken kasi nga maraming tao, maraming kakain. So, prepare tayo ng marami. Okay, so that's about a cup of soy sauce and then yung 5 spice natin. Marami tayong ginawa. Yun. And then, meron tayong prepared na garlic. We'll put about tablespoon of garlic, and then tablespoon of yun, ginayat na luya, and then we'll put some hoisin sauce. Yeah, one more. Oh, nice. And then we'll put some honey. Okay, lots of honey. Let's put in about 3 tablespoons of honey. Kasi babarbecue natin to. So itong honey and some muscovado sugar, yun yung magiging pinaka-glaze natin. That will caramelize sa loob while you're baking it. Tapos yun yung magbibigyan ng color natin. And we'll put in some food coloring. Kasi ganun talaga yung yung Chinese style na chicken or pork, yung char siu. No, talagang meron siyang color and nilalagyan ng konting food coloring. Just like that. It's about mga 3 to 4 drops. And that's it. I-mix na natin siya. There you go. And then dito pala matatansya mo na yung taste ng nung pinaka-sauce mo. So i-marinate natin yung chicken natin dito. And then pag binake na natin yung chicken natin, etong may iwan dito na marinade, yun naman yung lulutuin natin para sa final sauce niya. Let's try this. Oh, good. So once yung marinade natin is prepared, lalagyan natin yung chicken natin. The best is to debone the chicken. No? I-debone nyo na yung mga chicken. Yun. Then, ikot nyo na siya na ganito. There you go. Nice, oh. See? Ganun lang siya. And then we'll marinate this for about, siguro nothing less than 6 hours para ma-absorb niya talaga lahat ng lasa na ginawa natin dun sa marinade niya. And then the rest of the marinade, ilalagay na sa chicken para mag-soak siya doon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gamitin natin lahat. So, once malagay natin yung marinade natin, cover natin ito ng cling wrap. Yun. There you go. Ano lang. Okay, let's cover the cling wrap. Ganda, oh. Sakto-eksakto lang siya, oh. Yeah. Then lock in. So lock in the freshness niya. And it's important that after you touch raw chicken, kailangan talaga maghuhugas ka ng kamay, no? It's really important that you use the trusted strength and quality of Glad aluminum foils. Yun, no? Para malakin yung freshness and juices of this chicken mamaya pag i-bake na natin siya. Importante na Glad quality foil na gamit for even cooking and make your chicken more flavorful. Then I also use Glad bags to marinate my chicken. So, right now, dalawa yung chicken na ginamit natin, kaya nilagyan na sa Pyrex, pero nilaki natin siya with cling wrap, no? Pero kung isa-isa lang ang gamit nyo, you can use Glad, ito, zipper type na storage gallon na Glad. Okay, so Glad bags have airtight seal to preserve the freshness of your ingredients. And Glad foils and bags are found in your favorite supermarkets and on their official store on Lazada and Shopee. Okay, so check out Glad Philippines Facebook page to find out their latest promo, especially on how to win yung pressure cooker this Christmas season. Wow, talagang Paskong Pasko. Pwede manalo ng Tefal pressure cooker. Okay? So, we'll marinate this for about 6 hours. And then, pag na-marinate na siya, i-bake na natin siya. Alright. So, yung chicken natin has been marinating for about 6 hours. And then, nakalock in yung freshness niya using the Glad cling wrap. Okay? So, what we'll do now is prepare another Pyrex. Dito natin lulutuin yung chicken natin. Okay? Yun. So, wrap natin dito yung aluminum foil all over the Pyrex pan. Yun. Dito may iwan sa aluminum foil. Yun. Okay? Just like that. And then, dito na natin ilalagay yung chicken natin. Ilalagay natin dito. Yun. Diyan siya. This one, yung marinade niya, huwag mo itatapon. Diyan lang siya. Gagawin natin siyang sauce mamaya. So what I'll do now, I'll just wash my hands. Okay? Kasi humawak tayo ng chicken. Okay? So we'll wash our hands. Some soap and water. Ito talaga pag humawak ka ng raw chicken, you really have to wash your hands para walang salmonella. Itong chicken natin, ilalagay natin sa oven natin sa mga 200 siya, and we'll bake this for about good 40 minutes. So you can see yung charcoal niya, nilagay ko sa gilid para yung heat niya, ganun siya, may envelope siya dun sa chicken. And I'm going to close this. So yung temperature natin sa 200, and we'll time it about, we'll check on this within 30 minutes, but I want about 40 minutes of cooking time. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, gagawin na natin yung ating sauce para sa chicken natin. Okay? So yung marinade natin, ilalagay natin dito sa saucepan. Okay. Yun. So we'll boil our marinade, and then kailangan mag-reduce siya to thicken. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Nice. So ngayon, ito nyo, very liquid pa siya. But as we boil it, magre-reduce yan to a very thick sauce. So ito, patay na yung, kung meron man itong mga bacteria coming from the raw chicken, okay na siya by now. Okay, so yung liquid marinade natin kanina, nag-reduce na siya into a sauce. Very thick na siya ngayon. Tsaka may kita mo, nagkukot talaga dun sa likod ng spoon. So once ganyan na yung consistency niya, you can turn it off already. Hintayin lang natin na maluto yung chicken barbecue natin. Yun. Tapos mag-shoutout muna tayo kay Jean Yamahata, kay Donna Ubaldo, Alexandra Sofia Lee, and Rebecca Potestas. Thank you so much for watching Goma Tom. Thank you. And now we'll put this on the side. Okay. And then to, para sa fried rice natin ito. Okay. ready na tayo for serving. We'll just wait for the chicken to finish. And then okay na ta. Okay. Let's check. Turn temperature. Check natin. For this one. Yeah. Okay, good. Init na talaga. Luto-luto na siya. In fact, 190 na siya. So, sakto na to. So, ilalabasan natin. Okay. What I'll do is from here, patabi natin ito. Kunin natin yung chicken. Ito mo, juicy talaga, oh. Andun na yung juice ng chicken, oh. Wow! Beauty. So, what I'll do, yung remaining niya na juice, kukunin ko na siya, i-harvest ko siya. Isasama ko siya dito sa ginawa nating gravy kanina. Yun, iinitin ko lang siya. Masarap kaya nito. Masarap ito. Kunin natin yung juice. Isasama natin dun sa gravy natin. Oh, beauty. Beauty. Lahat ng freshness, lahat ng juice dun sa chicken, nandun talaga, oh. Naiwan dun sa, oh. Nasa glad aluminum foil lang, no? Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Yan, di ba? Oh, talagang juicy talaga yung chicken barbecue natin. Lalo na kapag ginamitan mo siya ng glad aluminum foil. So, now that we have this, ilalagay lang na siya dito para uminit pa siya ng gusto. I'll just mix this and then leave it here. And pag-prepare ko ng chicken mamaya, sakto na yan. Okay, so, putulin natin itong chicken natin. Look at this. Kukunin ko ito. Ganda itong part ng chicken na ito. Ito dito. Yun. Sa may thigh area. Ganda. Ito yung leg area. Yun. Ito yung thigh area. Yun. So now, lalagyan natin itong chicken dito. Yun. Mainit pa yung mainit talaga yung sauce natin. Ilalagyan mo sa chicken. Nice. Yun na si Babo dun para sa may rice. Damihan pa natin para magandang bagsak sa plate. Yun! Nice. Let's try this one. Wow! Sarap. Lasa mo talaga yung linamnam ng chicken. And you know, it's really important that when you roast it, you use our trusted brand in the kitchen, Glad aluminum foil, to preserve the flavor of your chicken. Always remember to choose Glad. I'm glad it's cooked. I'm glad I'm eating now. Let me try it. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Mahal ang manok! Woo!